Beauregard Rippy over at Scout Specialties, October the 22nd for their party. Trunk or treat. This is the back 40, the boneyard. They have doors stacked like cords of wood. The doors must last long. Rows of rollers, bodies in the process of being cut up. You can see how big that facility is. They have 2 of them with all kind of new parts. There's axles stacked like cordwood over here, frames, the gearboxes, the Rover Scouts over here, special units waiting restoration. This one here looks like it might have been raced, a mud bogger. Travels, a wagon. Running through here, the bucket seats in that guy, Scout Traveler, the Scout and Cars car show. Over here's another shop, a rollback wrecker, some your internationals and Navistars are used for school buses and everything, and trash trucks. And there's a Ford, beautiful Ford backhoe over here. No, it's international. I'm sorry. So taking the AMX, and then this Ford over here, half-ton, short bed, with wider tires on the back, and it's in black, solid black, with a sliding back rear window. I've had 5 of those, and I have an idea what I'm looking at there, but the prices on them, I couldn't, get it. I quit pricing stuff like that. That corner by the museum, he has t-shirts and beautiful hats. Nice selection of merch. Very good turnout. Beautiful Camaro. We looked at this step van last time, San Mateo, California. I was expecting another semi. I haven't seen it in a couple years, but with diesel like it is. He's got his Kabuta. There's some barbecue over there. Big Suburban. A purple car. The red one. The 50. The Lincoln has a guitar in its American Graffiti. This is the factory caddy package on this. I saw it at Yellow Spring, which is just, we're between Dayton and Springfield here. It could be Clark or Montgomery County. Yeah, I really like that Ford, even though it's at an international show. Short bed, got a lot going for it. A Cooper. A Jade S10. A Renegade CJ7 with a soft top. So I've been thinking about these. We've been looking at Jeeps. You just never see 2 Jeeps the same. So I passed one of these coming over here just now. That's got the right ear, doesn't it? No square headlight? It must be. That's a Pontiac Specialist guy. One of the nicest S10s right there. Oh boy. So this guy, hey, he's bringing his yellow car. This one's for sale, the last time I seen it. And they might have made these here. We had a Blazer 2 plant. So yeah, I really wouldn't want to price those because they were $70,000. Has it been 30 years ago? Loving the Mustang. Very beautiful Mustang. I need to get a better look at this one. It's got that big aluminum racing engine in there. Electronic fuel injection, all that. Supercharged of some sort or another. Ring of air anyway. I think the paint and just the way it's setting, I like the stance, I like the wheels, the tires. Beautiful. And then some of those were into the six figures and north of $250,000. The red one we saw because it was so well documented, and that's what they're bringing. I don't make the prices. Get the blue one. The top down there. So they give tours back in there. I'm more than happy. This one's another blue car. Probably last time I'll see it this year. And, a very classic Ford here. Good guy's car. The champagne one. Hi. He said, I think you break my camera. Hi. Everybody, they're giving out the candy. Everyone's happy. They should be because it's so beautiful. And it was hard to do everything this year. So the two-tone green here again that we saw on a couple other vehicles, and pulled it off nice on this panel. It's a Ford. It has a Ford engine. And a pretty sought after vet for the Corvette people right here for sure. And the 60 with the yellow, the very expensive station wagon one it was new. And this guy, he had a lot of shows this year. I think every show I went to this year, this car was there. So that says a lot. Very dedicated. So yeah, the third week of October, Saturday the 22nd, bro. Go rip you over here. Scout Specialties, Enon, Ohio. Thank you.